Hello and namaste. Welcome to this invitation and welcome video for 7-day beginner series Begin Here. Well, Begin Here is a series that is designed for anyone and everyone who's always been wanting to enter into the journey of asana practice and movement. I'm going to be introducing you to basic foundational movement and asana practice in the 7-day, and we're going to gradually progress from mild and gentle movements to connective and flow movements. We're going to find that connection of body, movement and breath as we practice through this journey of 7 days. The agenda of this practice is to keep it simple, keep it very accessible for anyone and everyone who has been always wanting to try. And if you have never done anything like this before, don't worry, I promise this is going to be absolutely accessible for you. So every day, 7 days, all I demand from you, request from you is 10 minutes and if possible add 2 minutes for yourself for the cherry on cake, that relaxation bit. I'm looking forward to seeing you in this journey with me, and let's see you guys on day 1 of 7-day series Begin Here. Thank you and have a beautiful day.